knew it wasn't your line, but I saw a spider web. I was like, oh.
That happens. Oh, that didn't feel good coming off there.
This line feels smooth coming off here too. I think I usually.
Oh. Yep. You want to throw your anchor out? Might take me a little bit to get this guy in. He's decent. He's decent. Can I have the net? The anchor for now. Just give me the net. TY. Oh, this is my first cast ever with this bait, and look how he's hooked. Just barely. I'm gonna get this hook in right.
That's smallmouth, right?
Yeah. Wow. What a beauty.
Yeah.
I mean, you can just set it there. Wow.
That's a big one.
I mean, fighting and ready to go. He bit down on my thumb there, and that felt great. Oh, did I just cast it over you? Are you chattering? Okay.
No. He's out real wide. Is that the bridge you want to hang out under?
I think so. That's where I caught like a probably 2-pounder there last time. Nice one. Maybe 2 pounds. Great colors. I don't know what that noise was, but I'm scared. Oh yeah, dude, they go for miles. Is this a fish? I think I have one. Yeah, definitely. Not very big, or it's swimming towards me. It must be swimming right towards me, because that or I don't have a fish at all.
Where's the net?
I don't know. Oh, I do have a fish. Oh yeah, I definitely have a fish.
You didn't bring it?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I definitely brought it.
You got it?
Maybe here. I have just...
I can't see anything?
Yeah, I can't either. I just feel like I'm going to lose this fish. He didn't fight for the longest time. Oh, is he up there? He's right in front of you somewhere.
Oh, I see him right there.
Oh,
He
shit.
just went that way. I'm sure you can tell.
Yeah, I don't have much control over him.
He's on the boat.
Okay, get the net out of there. Oh, hand it. Careful.
Nope.
No. Nice.
Yeah, that's a good size.
If you want to throw anchor here, go right ahead. Oh yeah, dude, this is bigger than I thought. He's tanky. All right, well, we won't have a weight on him, but he's not bad.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Probably what, 15 inches or so?
Yeah.
But fat. These ones up here are fat. Nothing in there. Beautiful fish. All right, bud. Thanks for the bite. That was a great fight on that rod. Oh, he bit me. Bye. You have a fish, buddy.
Not very big. Okay.
He's not bad. Let me get my rods over. Somehow didn't get my rods tangled. Beautiful. That's a good one. A lot of blood. Hopefully he does all right. Eh, caught him though. Probably deserved whatever happened to him. Okay, fish for sure. I can't tell, because I swear they all swim right towards me, and I can't get a good hook set because of that. They must be super small.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Now he starts running. They all are doing that. Oh, one followed him up. There's another one behind him.
You got the net?
Yeah, you might want to throw anchor here, I guess. We're catching him. Where is he? Oh, he's all the way over there. Yeah, I can get him, I think. He's really not that big, this rod. The setup makes him feel bigger. Come here. Oh, I missed him. Oh, now I'm wrapped up in it. Come on. Why do I suck? I have like a little bit too much line out. Alright. Well, they're in here. Man, that's not a bad one. That's about a jig size. This is about what I was catching yesterday, or whenever that was. You have a fish? Yeah. Oh, you had a fish.
He wasn't too big, so
No, that was cool. I can say with almost 100% certainty that I don't need to see that. What am I hung up? No, I have a fish. This thing's probably choked. He's had this for a while. I didn't even realize it. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry if you're... No, it's pretty deep down in there, I think, unfortunately.
worried about losing him.
Oh, I don't think it's as bad as it looks.
Small ring, good size.
Nice, decent. Oh.
You bleeding? Oh, I see the crayfish.
Yeah. I'm gonna get him back in the water. I think he'll be okay.
You got some fighting him.
Yeah, dude. That was...
Kept his dinner, hopefully.
Now I gotta retie, but hey, at least I didn't leave a hook in him. Everything's okay. I don't know why you're worried.